Hello again, third grade. This is lesson 3, home escape plans. Every school year, each of you have to practice a school fire drill. Somewhere in your classroom, usually by the door, is a school evacuation map that shows the exits you should use and where your meeting place is outside. Just like your fire drills at school, we need to have fire drills at home. Whenever you have a fire drill or a real fire alarm, you always evacuate the building quickly, exiting in a single file line, staying quiet, and going to the nearest exit. The last person in line always closes the classroom door, and once outside, your teacher will count all your classmates to make sure everyone made it out safely. Just like your fire drills at school, we need to have fire drills and escape plans at home. We need to know at least 2 ways out and other ways, just in case we can't get out our normal way. We also need to have a safe meeting place. The fire department normally recommends your neighbor's house as a safe place. They have a phone to call 911. If the weather is cold or raining, you can always go inside and stay safe. And everyone in your home needs to know and practice your escape plan. This is a sample escape plan that you might draw for your house. And this is one of the activities that you need to do at home with your families. We're going to draw a picture of your house. It's going to look a little bit like the school evacuation plan, but it's going to look a lot like what is on the screen right now. You're going to draw a floor plan of your house, including every level where someone sleeps. So if you have a basement where somebody sleeps, you need to draw the basement. If you have a 2-story house, or you have a finished attic where there are bedrooms in the attic and people sleep upstairs, you need to draw that on there too. Mark doors and windows like is shown in the example. Try to use different color ink if you can. Here you see the doors and windows are marked in blue. If you have a garage attached to your house, you can draw that on there also. The garage might be a good second way out. If your house has more than one floor, like a basement or a second story, you can draw the stairs in here also. Use one color to draw your first way out. That's usually going to the doors and going outside. Use a different color to show your second escape route, like the windows or a different door. Also draw in where the smoke detectors are in your house. It's not on this example, but you can simply draw a small circle to mark locations of your smoke detectors. Determine a meeting place and add it to your plan. Instead of picking something like a tree or your mailbox, let's choose your neighbor's house and make sure everybody knows which neighbor's house that is. Your plan should be simple and easy to read. You don't need to get too complicated or draw a perfect picture. Have your whole family participate and draw a good plan together. You can write emergency phone numbers and other important phone numbers on your plan as well. This might be the number to the hospital or your doctor or your veterinarian that cares for your pets, or maybe other important phone numbers like family and friends. Practice drawing this on a piece of scratch paper or notebook paper a couple of times before drawing your final plan on the home escape plan sheet that your teachers pass out to you. Once you have your final plan drawn, you can hang that somewhere in your house, like on the refrigerator, so everyone can see it. Our next lesson will talk about home hazards. We'll talk about things that can cause fires, how to prevent those fires, and we'll talk about other things in our homes that are dangerous that we need to be aware of and be safe.